Listen. I have another great opportunity for you guys here on Boss Up with K channel. You know, I'm always providing you with gig economy jobs, passive income opportunities, especially these driving gigs. You can use your own car, you can rent somebody's car, you can borrow somebody's car. All you need is four wheels, sometimes even two, to start doing these routes and start making some side income and possibly make this a full-time income, a full-time business, a full-time opportunity for you guys and others. Now, I've been doing this series all day today. I'm talking about companies you can pick up luggage that left behind at one airport and pick it up and take it to that person's house or whatever location they need that luggage transported to. I'm talking about a great company. It's actually called Grab My Bag. Yes, Grab My Bag. What they're going to do is alert a driver like you through either email or app. And then once you know you have a bag to pick up, you go to the airport, they give you the delivery directions, and you drop it right off to the customer. That's easy. Now, this company actually have some little pay. One bag pays $35, 2 to 4 bags, $65, 5 bags, $120. Now, you may have to go to 5 different locations throughout a region. It may take 2-3 hours, but you're making $120 just to drop off a bag. Luggage. It's that easy. Partner with Delta, JetBlue, Southwest, Frontier, all the major airlines. They're in all the major cities. And then, deliver it. It's that simple. So we're going to take a look at the website and go a little bit more detail about, how to become a bag grabber and drop offer. And, try to figure out how much they're paying, if it's worth it, what type of vehicle is best to use, any other special equipment you need, any licensing or credentials you need to pick up from the airport. I'm going to get in all of that. Hop right on in here and get into the nitty gritty. All right. All right. We are in the laptop on the Grab My Bag website. Great airport luggage delivery company. They don't just, deliver lost bags or bags that were left behind by airlines. They actually have a service where you can schedule with them, have somebody pick up the bags from your home, take them to the airport for you. They'll be there waiting on the airport for you to check the bags in. And also, once you get to your destination, if you're flying, domestic in the country, if you're at a partner airport, like you're flying from New York to Miami, you can have a Grab bag member in Miami pick up the bags for you and have them at your hotel or Airbnb or wherever you're staying once you get to your final destination. So it's very cool service, very unique business I haven't heard of. And they have opportunities for you to make money by delivering the bags. So, this is how much they charge people to grab the bag. So you can kind of get an idea of what your cut may be off of this service. Here are some of the airlines they work with. People going to hotels, people going to games, going back to school. And, you join their email list and get to see all the perks and all the stuff. They got free tracking, so you know exactly where your bag is. How long does it take for your bag to get delivered? How from the airport do you deliver? That's a good question. 40 miles from the airport. So just know if you are 40 miles from any major airport, this is definitely for you. Question, are you affiliated with airports, airlines? Bags were lost by the airline. Can you help with this? That depends. If you booked our service beforehand prior to final destination or lost, then yes. So, do you ship bags? No, there were circumstances would not ship your bag. You must be in a city or state. No, they don't ship. All right. Now for the information you've been waiting for, be a grabber. So they got this little crappy commercial. It makes no sense. But basically, in a nutshell, you a grabber. You will use your car SUV to go to the airport, pick up the bags. I'm sure they will give you a designation. They probably got an app, get the names of everything. You probably got to scan the barcode. Might have to probably check in with the airline employee or rep, so you just won't be grabbing random bags off the carousel. Make sure you're official, your uniform, you meet the proper contacts. Now, they are going to do a thorough background check. So as you see, they ask for your social security number, your home address, where you live, as well as your driver's license ID. This is for identification and ID check and background check purposes. They don't want anybody with felonies or sketchy records picking up people's bags. You got to understand that. That makes sense. And you got your availability, so you can make this full-time, part-time, airports and people traveling 24/7. So you can make your schedule as, many days as you like. You will be an independent contractor, so you have to be your own boss, pay your own taxes, pay for your own fuel, pay for your own maintenance on your vehicle. And then they got some legal jargon, and then your signature. And that's pretty much it. Now, once you call, let's see if they got any more contact information. They actually have an address. They're based out of Atlanta. They have a email address and a phone number. So go ahead. Like I said, they are in most of the major cities. So if you're close to a major international airport, you shouldn't have any problems getting on with them. They don't have a lot of information about the pay, but we'll see if I can get a little bit more information. Oh, here goes. Oh, here you go. Hope you guys can see this. Grab per breakdown, United States only. Opportunity to deliver. So you get a base pay plus tips. One bag, $15. Two bags, $20. 5 to 10 bags, $27. Crappy incentive. I mean, at least go up to 35. At least double that, I mean. Extra bags, $1 per bag, over 10 bags. You get a base pay. $1 per bag. 27 for the 5 bags. And then plus you get tips. And they got promotions as well as things to be treated fairly by the customers, things of that nature. All right, so you get the tips and that. All right. So I guess it would be based on how far you're going. It's going to be all based in the app. So once you look at the app, you see, how far the trips are. They probably can stack or bundle the trips, the grab trips. So, if it's too far out your way, it's not worth $15, $20, then definitely don't do it. If you can, you got 3 customers, 6 bags a piece. It could be a nice little run. You can do that all in an hour. Grab about 3 people, depending on how far away they are in your city. So it's at least $15 an hour, plus tips. So, if you're making less than that, there's something you might want to jump on. If you're making more than that, we're expediting you over the road. This might not be for you. It might just be some, part-time gig. So I don't need anybody to comment, but there ain't enough money. Okay, it ain't enough for you. Skip over this. I got over 50 videos on this channel about driving gigs, driving companies in your area. So don't leave a comment, what about this area? Subscribe, go through the videos, and get plugged in and start making this money. All right, guys. All right, remember, always be your own boss.